This is ZTE Blade A72S, and in today's video I will show how you can find and check your data usage on this device. So firstly, you will need to launch settings, then depending on what particular data usage you would like to see, you can either go for Wi-Fi first, then Wi-Fi data usage, and here it is. Or if the cellular data usage is that what you are interested in, get back to the main settings page, enter the mobile network section, then mobile data. And over here you will have the general amount of cellular data used, as well as app data usage section, which pretty much becomes available once you have at least 1 kilobyte or 1 byte of data usage. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.